If you are new as a beginner in electronics, there are a couple of components or sensors that you need to know that are mostly used or widely used in beginner electronics project. So we begin with here I have some of those sensors, and let's see the first one. The first one that is widely used is called the gas sensor. Some people call it gas sensor or smoke sensor, but the specification is MQ2. So this one can detect methane, carbon dioxide, and some few other gases. This one is also connected to the Arduino or the microcontroller, and then you can just start using it by implementing various gas detector systems. The other sensor is called ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor has these two channels. The first one is the transmitter, the other one is the receiver. The ultrasonic sensor sends or transmits the ultrasound or the high frequency sound that human ear cannot hear. And when it hits the obstacle, there happens the reflection. The reflection is detected by the second channel. So this one also is an object detector by transmitting the ultrasonic sound. Very useful, widely used during beginner project implementation. The other one is the infrared sensor. The infrared sensor has these two main guys here. The first one is this infrared, which transmits the infrared light. The other one is the black one, which detects the changes or detects the reflection. So this one transmits the light, and then when there is an obstacle here, the black infrared detects the reflection, because the infrared comes and hits the light here. Hits the object, and then the reflection happens to go back through this black infrared. And so this one is also widely used during beginner project implementation. Here we have the other guy. This one is also an infrared sensor, but it's passive. It doesn't really transmit the infrared light. What it does, it detects the thermal radiation. You see, for example, my body is transmitting some heat or doing thermal radiation. So the radiated heat, let's call it heat, is detected by this small lens here. So this one doesn't transmit, instead it receives the thermal radiation of an object moving around it, and then it processes the signal towards the Arduino or the microcontroller that you are using. Last but not least, we have this guy. It's not a sensor, instead it's a switch. This one is called a DC relay. We supply it with 5 volt from the Arduino or any other source, but we use it to switch high powers that we connect here. It receives the signal from the Arduino, where we connect it on this in pin, and then it switches what we connect here. You'll have to subscribe on my channel to see further more videos about how we use such devices briefly. Last but not least, we have the Arduino, which is the widely used microcontroller in embedded systems implementation. So here you have the analog pins, you have the power pins, you have the multi-purpose pins, the inputs and the outputs, the digital ones that serve both purposes by working as input and outputs. Last but not least, we have the LCD 12x2. This one is also widely used in electronics implementation. When you want to just visualize or monitor the data from your system, you can simply use this LCD. And that's it for today. Subscribe for more tips and